Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube video. In this video I'm going to be sharing to you guys how to program a YouTube video installer. So this program is just simply gonna install a YouTube video. So you're gonna provide the YouTube video's URL to the program, and it's gonna go ahead and install it for you. So that is what we're gonna be doing in this video. So stick around and let's get started. So first of all, what I'm going to do is we have to install one module. So we can simply install it by typing pip install pytube in our terminal. So pip install pytube. So I'm going to close that now. And here we're going to have to import pytube, which is the module we just installed. And I'm going to define a function, and I'm going to name the function run, and run is going to take a parameter URL. So here I'm just going to put path first, and here let me just define the URL which the function needs over here. So this URL is just going to be simply the URL of the video we want. So I'm going to say enter the video's URL over here. So now I'm just gonna call the function, and I'm gonna pass in the URL. URL. So add that here. So yeah. So now here in the function, I'm gonna create a variable YouTube. I'm just gonna define the variable YouTube, and YouTube is gonna be equal to pytube dot YouTube, and YouTube is gonna take the URL over here, and over here I'm gonna say video, and I want video to be equal to let's say YouTube dot streams dot gets highest resolution. So here you can get the audio of the YouTube video you want if you use these, and if you want to get the highest resolution you can use this. So we want to get the highest resolution of the video, so which is like the original video with a good resolution. So we're going to say YouTube.streams.get highest resolution, and this is going to be this is a function. Yeah. So over here I'm just going to say print downloading, so just to inform us that it is downloading. And I'm going to create a try and except in case we run into an error, so that we will know that we run into an error. So try, this is going to be on the try, and here we're going to say video dot download. So it's just going to go ahead and download it in our folder over here. So now if we run into an error, we're going to tell us that we ran into an error. So if it actually goes well, it's gonna go and do this. So but if we run into an error, it's just gonna print out this thing here, the statement we ran into an error. So now let me run this and see, and I hope I didn't run into any errors or any bugs. So okay, so here is asking us for the video URL. So here I'm just gonna go to my latest video, and I'm just gonna copy this URL over here, and over here I'm gonna paste it, and I'm gonna tap enter, and we're gonna see downloading video, which is okay. We're gonna see print downloading, so we're gonna see this over here. So as you can see, it's actually run successfully. So now you can see that we have our video over here in our folder. So yeah, so that's it for this video, guys. Please smash the like button, share to your friends or family or anybody find this video useful, and please, if you have a feedback or any suggestion, please leave it down in the comment section, and please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.